Early renders of the Google Pixel 11 have surfaced, offering a detailed look at the upcoming flagship ahead of its expected August debut. The images, shared by Tipster at OneLeaks via Android headlines. Compared to its predecessor from 2025, the Pixel 11 has noticeably smaller bezels, as well as a tweaked camera island design. For the first time on a base-tier Pixel, Google has included a dedicated 10.8 MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and up to 20x super residential zoom. Additional features may include cinematic blur at 4K 30 frames per second and a video relight tool for adjusting lighting and recorded footage. The design overall is very Pixel-like and doesn't change a lot. The Pixel 11 is run on Google's next-generation Tensor G6 processor. Feature a 7-core CPU with a new MediaTek M90 modem. Offer 12GB of RAM starting at 128GB and going up to 256GB storage. Run Android 17 out of the box. A 5000 mAh battery is also expected. Pricing is rumored to start at $799, similar to the previous model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.